Welcome back to Live Healthy Every Day. Today we're tackling a common issue, poor leg circulation. If your legs feel cold, heavy or numb, your body is signaling that your blood flow needs a boost. The good news? You can improve circulation with simple changes in your diet. Let's dive into 12 foods that can bring warmth and energy back to your legs, naturally. First up, beets. These vibrant roots are packed with dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow to your legs and feet. Studies show beet juice can boost endurance and reduce muscle fatigue. Enjoy beets roasted, juiced, or raw in salads for a natural circulation boost. Add them to your routine for healthier legs and lower blood pressure. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s, which fight inflammation and keep arteries flexible. Omega-3s also prevent blood clots, reducing the risk of leg pain and swelling. Aim for 2 servings a week, or try a fish oil supplement if you're not a fan of fish. These healthy fats support your entire circulatory system. Keep your arteries open and your legs feeling light with regular omega-3s. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which stimulates circulation and warms your extremities. Capsaicin relaxes blood vessels and may help clear out artery-clogging deposits. Even a small pinch in smoothies, soups, or lemon water can make a difference. Start slow if you're sensitive to spice and build up gradually. Fire up your metabolism and circulation with this simple addition. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, is packed with flavonoids that boost nitric oxide. This relaxes arteries and improves blood flow, especially to your legs. Enjoy a small square daily for flexible vessels and reduced leg fatigue. Remember, moderation is key. Choose quality over quantity. Satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting your circulation. Pomegranate seeds are loaded with antioxidants and nitrates that protect arteries and boost nitric oxide. They help fight inflammation and keep blood vessels clear and flexible. Studies show pomegranate juice can improve blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Sprinkle seeds on salads or enjoy a small glass of pure juice. This vibrant fruit is a delicious way to energize your legs. Garlic's secret is allicin, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. It also helps prevent artery hardening and plaque buildup. For maximum benefit, use raw, freshly chopped garlic in dressings or dips. Let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to boost allicin. Garlic supports both your circulation and immune system. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It protects blood vessels and improves their function, especially in the legs. Pair turmeric with black pepper and healthy fat for better absorption. Add it to curries, soups, or golden milk for a daily boost. This golden spice helps restore healthy circulation from within. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are rich in anthocyanins that protect blood vessels. They reduce inflammation and keep arteries flexible for smooth blood flow. A handful of fresh or frozen berries daily can make a big impact. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for an easy upgrade. Your veins and arteries will thank you for this sweet habit. Watermelon is packed with L-citrulline, which your body turns into nitric oxide for better blood flow. It's also 92% water, helping you stay hydrated, crucial for healthy circulation. Enjoy watermelon before or after activity to reduce leg fatigue. Hydration and circulation support in one delicious fruit. It's a refreshing way to keep your legs energized. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are loaded with nitrates and magnesium. They relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and prevent leg cramps. Add greens to salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side. Make them a daily staple for strong, oxygen-rich circulation. Your legs will feel the difference. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s and L-arginine, both of which boost nitric oxide and reduce inflammation. Just a handful a day supports open, healthy arteries. Sprinkle walnuts on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for a crunchy boost. Simple, delicious, and great for your legs. Oranges and citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, essential for strong blood vessel walls. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron for better oxygen delivery. Enjoy citrus daily to reinforce your circulatory system. Fresh, tangy, and vital for healthy legs. Let's recap. Beets, fatty fish, cayenne, dark chocolate, pomegranate, garlic, turmeric, berries, watermelon, leafy greens, walnuts, and citrus all support healthy leg circulation. Improving your health is about adding these powerful foods, not restricting yourself. They reduce inflammation, widen blood vessels, and protect your arteries, naturally. Start adding them to your meals for stronger, energized legs. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these foods will you try first? For more tips, join our community at Live Healthy every day. Stay healthy and see you next time. Beyond just improving circulation, these 12 foods also support nerve health, reduce inflammation, and protect against chronic conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and peripheral artery disease, all of which can negatively impact blood flow to the legs. Incorporating them into your diet doesn't have to be difficult. You can blend berries into your breakfast smoothie, add turmeric and garlic to your stir-fry, or, enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a midday treat. Over time, these small daily changes can, honestly, make a big difference in how your legs feel, and how you feel overall. Consistency is key. Your body will thank you for nourishing it the right way.